Ularbek, Kyrgyz Republic. On the right side, Momush Mergen, Russia. The main wrestling will.
Pakistan, Bulbalban, Bangladesh, and Krishna.
Mongolia, Chinese, Kazakhstan, Russia, United States, Uzbekistan, and Kyrgyz. Winner, we invited the Olympic champion of weightlifting, the champion of world 4 times record man, Qanibek Osmanaliyev.